Yo, what is up, guys? This is Aphix, and today I will be talking about a very serious topic for me, especially since it has affected many of the games that I have been creating over the past 9 months since I started game development. So, the worst mistake in game development is usually thought of in many ways. So, some people say it might be a coding mistake or a mistake where you start, but my idea of the worst mistake in game development happens, in fact, before you even start making your game. It happens during the process in which you create the game concept. And this worst mistake is making a game while under the influence of another game. You can see this game here was one of my first Unreal Engine games, and it was inspired by Fortnite. So when I started making games, I was highly influenced by Fortnite as I was completely in love with the game and the feel. And before then, I did have the idea of an original dream game. However, the fact that I love Fortnite so much kind of got rid of those original ideas and turned that dream game into a battle royale. Later on, when I got into a game called Valorant, what happened was my dream game became a round based game, and I started working on that. And it's like I've been starting this dream game of mine and stopping each time because I realized that I'm under the influence of another game. So the way that I can avoid this, and I did try this out many times, and I have created original ideas from it, is to take a purge from games before really starting creating that concept for your game. So what I mean by that is maybe don't play video games for a week, right? Because you might be into Call of Duty or something, and then that's going to influence what you want to make, right? And another thing to take in mind is one of the main reasons why this is a bad thing is because these AAA games that you would be into have maybe thousands of people working on it, while if you create a clone of that game, it's going to be obviously much worse since you're only one developer. And in the end, who's going to choose your game over that AAA game that they love so much? So, all in all, just making a game while under the influence of another game is just the worst thing to do. It kills the game from the start, and then you spend all this time making it, and you realize that it's completely useless. So once again, my technique to get rid of this mistake is to just take a break from video games. Don't think about them. Just focus on game development for a week, and then when you're ready, when you feel like you have no outer influence, create your game idea.
Bye.